Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we talk about Dell Reward programs. Before start the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Please like and share the video. Let's start the video. Dell Reward for business. Buy more, get uh, get more programs overviews rewards contain be said on these label views for the total views of your online transactions as a discount for your next purchase. The campaign with be sent to the emails registers on the Dell websites. The discount is applicable for your next transactions at Dell and world from 60 days upon spent of the compound. How it work by a Dell in all of your trans- transactions above rupees 35,000 will granted a discount coupon decide on the sellable views unit rupees 1 lakh over the views of the view value. The completion will be fixed in rupees 5,000 will from your next purchase. In order to use the coupon on your next purchase, the amount to be spent should be rupees 30,000 or above. Get you discount. You will receive your discount campaign to your emails within 60 business days after the date of the purchase. Insurance use your benefit. Make a new purchase at Dell with your expense discount to use it. Simply placed and order above rupees 30,000 and enter the code in the field. Insurance be what for 30 days after respect to your registered schemes and conditions. To you will be unable to receive discounts coupon will you for your next purchase with your purchase any Dell branded products, expensive softwares and spends part for a value of at latest rupees 35,000 for Dell